Hey guys, it's Levi Jones from TSXtuning. Today's actually going to be my second vlog. I just posted one last night. If you're unfamiliar with the channel or you haven't been here before, this is called TSXtuning. The whole channel revolves around Acura TSX car customization, product reviews, and then vlogs. Going to car shows and everything related to Acura TSX and Honda Accord models. So if you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions, comment below. Also, please feel free to check out the previous videos I made on doing cheap blinker modifications, also the new 2021 touchscreen for the Acura TSX. Feel free to go ahead and like and subscribe, and let's get to the video, guys. Alright, so we got some parts in stock today. I just opened this box. I was going to cut it open, do the whole unboxing experience, but I really don't think it much matters if I cut the box open on film or not. So basically I got those RTX R-Spec rims for my car. They're heavy, they're 20-inch rims, so just to be on the safe side, I wanted to redo my whole front end suspension. I got lower control arms. Let's see here. I got stab links, tie rods, outer tie rod, stab link. We really didn't need any of this stuff, to be honest. I just want everything to be new. I've got a lot of money wrapped up, and I just want to have a peace of mind. Upper control arms with the ball joints, as you can see. Lower ball joints, other tie rods, and yeah, so all this stuff's going to be going on. Also, just like I mentioned in my vlog last night, I'm actually rolling out my wheel wells. I'll be doing a video on that, and in my video that I posted yesterday, there is actually going to be a link for the tool to bat out your wells, but you'll see that in my video if you saw that video yesterday. Now this kit right here is freaking amazing. I think it was on eBay, and I want to say it was only like $150, and I got literally every front end piece for my car, and they're not crappy quality either. So I'll put the link down in the description if anyone does need front end suspension. It makes no sense to go to AutoZone or Advanced Auto and buy 2 control arms, or even 1 lower control arm and a ball joint. For that price, you can get the whole front end kit. So just everything I showed you there, like I said, around $150. I'll put the link down in the description. Feel free to get it. Click the link if you need it. All right, cool. Also, got this in the mail. The hybrid racing clutch selector springs, I believe. Yep. So these are going to be installed. I actually just installed the hybrid racing shifter. I did a custom short shift. I did the hybrid racing detent springs, the hybrid racing boot collar. I originally bought the hybrid racing short shifter, but it wasn't short enough. So, all right. So on to the next thing. Just got some cigarettes. Oh yeah. Also, I forgot to mention the clutch selector springs that I just showed you. They're only like $25. Your car will drive way better if you have a stick shift. Link will be in the description. Also, next to the detent springs, I'll put that link down there too. That makes a real notchy feel with your stick shift. I highly recommend it. Best mod you could ever do. It's only $60 for both, or maybe less. So just wanted to let you know because I forgot to tell you that when I showed it to you. So yeah, just on the way, I'm with my bro. We're about to pull up to the TSX. I just want to show you guys some stuff that I already got done. But yeah, see you in a minute. Zombies in Akron. Look at this.
The apocalypse.
It's real. Zombie. Real live tweaker hunters in Akron looking like zombie freaking apocalypse. Yeah, just came to drop my brother off. He's the master mechanic.
All right, guys, I just dropped off my brother. I was on my way to get my TSX, but with the slave cylinder, it's not running right. I need to get it fixed a little. It should be hopefully on the vlog tomorrow, so check me then. If you're not subscribed, subscribe, hit the like button if you liked it today. Also, all my social medias are in the description. We'll check you tomorrow.